Hello YouTube, this is the before. We're here in beautiful Atlantic Beach and we are going to be doing a full renovation. Okay, here is where we're going to be doing the primary work. Is going to be a backyard renovation. So most of the action will be back here. This is the before. And this is one of those cases where the homeowner started the process and decided that they needed to call in the pro because they wanted it done right. So we're going to come in here and finish this out. And we'll take up what you see and put in some professional landscape fabric. And we're going to be putting in the edging and lava rock. Say lava rock. Here with my manager from Florida Pro Lawn Care. And we're going to get rid of these split leaf philodendrons. Say split leaf philodendron.
Split leaf philodendron.
And we're going to trim up these overgrown shrubs. And we're going to make this whole situation look just right. Stay tuned. This is the before. We're going to hook this up something crucial. 904-321-9181. What's the number? 904?
424-258.
No. 904-321.
9181.
There you go, son.